Muscle car legends never truly die. They evolve. Today, we dive into the beast reborn, the 2026 Plymouth Barracuda. A name echoing pure American power, resurrected with a futuristic twist. Will this modern Barracuda live up to its legendary reputation? Buckle up, because this is more than a car. It's a legacy returning to claim the streets. The 2026 Barracuda doesn't just show up, it attacks your senses. Inspired by the original 70s icon, it blends retro aggression with modern aerodynamics. The front fascia features a razor-sharp split grille with recessed LED headlights, giving it a predatory stare. The hood? Vented, sculpted, and ready to breathe fire. With its wide stance, muscular fenders, and fastback silhouette, the Barracuda screams power, even at standstill. Deep character lines run across its body, like scars from battles won. And at the rear, a full-width LED tail strip pays homage to classic Plymouth DNA, while a dual exhaust diffuser hints at the thunder lurking beneath. When you revive a legend, you don't give it a whisper, you give it a roar. Under the hood, Plymouth offers two powertrain options: a supercharged 6.2L HEMI V8, rumored to deliver over 700 horsepower, aimed at purists, and a hybrid performance edition, combining electric torque with raw combustion power, instant acceleration meeting brute force, 0 to 60 miles per hour, estimated in just 3.2 seconds. Quarter mile? Expected to challenge even the Dodge Demon territory. And for the first time ever in a Barracuda, launch control, torque vectoring, and track drive modes will be standard. Step inside the 2026 Barracuda, and you're welcomed into a cockpit designed for warriors of both past and future. The dashboard brings retro muscle styling with modern tech integration. Think analog-inspired gauges blended with a fully customizable 12-inch digital cluster. The center console houses a massive infotainment touchscreen with performance telemetry, G-force tracking, and drag strip timers. Premium Alcantara leather bucket seats, contrast stitching, and carbon fiber accents remind you, this isn't just muscle, it's luxury power. Optional packages include a roll cage, racing harness seats, and even a stripped-down track edition for true adrenaline addicts. So how much does it cost to tame a reborn legend? Estimated pricing for the 2026 Plymouth Barracuda is expected to start around $65,000 for the base V8 model. Higher performance trims, especially the supercharged or hybrid track editions, may climb the $90,000 to $110,000 range. Pricey? Yes. Worth it? For muscle car fanatics, absolutely. But let's be real. Reviving a legend comes with risks. Weight versus performance hybrid tech may add weight, risking that pure muscle feel. Electric future. Will purists accept a hybrid Barracuda or demand raw gasoline thunder? Competition. Mustang GT, Dodge Challenger EV, and Camaro Z/28 are already prowling the same territory. If Plymouth doesn't strike the perfect balance between heritage and innovation, the Barracuda could become a tribute rather than a revolution. The return of the Plymouth Barracuda isn't just another car release, it's a resurrection of American muscle mystique, a symbol of rebellion, speed, and untamed spirit, reinvented for a new era. So the question is, will you fear the Barracuda? Or will you unleash it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. V8 or hybrid Barracuda? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more legendary returns, and, as always, this is Cars View channel, driving into the future with the soul of the past.